Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's somewhere I got a parasite killing my battery. I had to disconnect my battery, my negative, to keep it from draining my battery out. So, take it loose to keep from killing my battery. I'm gonna put it back on just to show you guys my truck does run. But when it does for too long, I'm gonna have a hard knocking sound and it's gonna damage my head. So, I'm gonna just show you guys that it does run. Stand by for a second. All right, just stand by, guys. It run. All right, you see that? It runs, but I can't let it run too long. Just to show you guys it run. So now I got to stop it. My key is not in the ignition. So I'm gonna get him kill it.